Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Start with Maranatha Crandall. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do finger knitting. All you'll need is one ball of yarn or string, but I would suggest yarn. You're going to take the end of the yarn, which is going to be your tail. You're going to pinch it here in between your fingers, between your thumb and your index finger, okay? Make sure that you're only using the working yarn. You put it in front of this, and here you really need to pinch it. In front, behind, and front, behind. Then you go around, put it behind, and front, behind, wrap it around, behind, wrap it around, put it in front, behind, in front, behind, around, here. Then you stop here, and you don't use it. You don't do anything to this finger. Then you pinch these. You start pulling the bottom ones over the top ones, okay? So for this one, you're going to take this tail that you're pinching, but you're going to take the end over here. You're going to push your finger through, and then very soon you're going to let go of the tail. Put your finger through the next finger, like this. Then you do it again. Pull this, take this, pull it over the top, take this, and pull it over the top one. Now, you can let go of the tail. Then you're going to go back around. In front, behind, and front, behind. Make sure you scoot it down. Then you put it around. Then you go behind, in front, behind, in front, and then you don't do anything to this finger again, and you keep pulling it over. Very simple once you know how to do it, and you keep pulling the bottom over your finger, pull it over, pull it over, pull it over. Okay, you can now let go of the tail that you've been pinching, and just let it go and take it behind. And this is what we have so far. You'll see it's not going to keep your fingers together. It's going to be a beautiful thing. You could use as a bracelet or a necklace if you make it long enough. There's going to be a very... You take this, you go around, behind, in front, behind, in front, see? In front, behind, in front, then you go split this down, go around, behind, in front. And you pinch it here, okay? Now that you have that, you're going to pull it over. 1, 2, sorry to tickles my arm, 3, and 4. And now you pull it all down so it doesn't fall off your finger. And you start again. Now that you've got that, I'm going to keep doing it for a couple stitches. Okay. Work is going very good. Let's see that. Ooh, look at this. And then your thumb can just relax while you do this. Oh wait, what if I make it a necklace for my mom? It would be such a cool surprise. I can imagine her reaction. You made this for me? At least that's how things she's for you, but I know what you know. Mexico is very nice, very relaxing, very calm. The food here is delicious. My mom says I said delicious more times since we moved here than any other time in my life. So fun. We went swimming last night and we got to stay for like about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. You wouldn't believe it. Winter is the season to go out. back in Canada, winter is the worst season to be going out. Winter is so cold there. But here, winter is like the coolest it gets. Still pretty hot, but perfect temperature for sports like soccer, swimming, football, baseball, basketball, tennis, stuff like that. Okay, let's see. I'll have to make it line up. It would just be as a choker for me, so it's definitely not big enough for what I'm trying to do. So I put it here. My friend taught me how to do this like just today, so I was doing it and I'm like, wait, why don't I make a video where I show other people how to do it? If you need to, you could go back and click on the beginning of the video so you can watch again and learn how to do it again in case you need to watch more of it. This yarn game is so cool. And just with 4 fingers and a yarn, it's so cool the way they can like do this, but you don't really have to do that much work to get it to look like this. Maybe put your fingers through some tight loops, but that's easy. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how to put your fingers through tight loops. So, you do this, you go around and around like I taught you. Then when you get to here, to go through tight loops, the index is always easy. This one, you bend your finger and push it through. Lift it up, bend your finger, push it. And the pinky, you can just slide it up. Now that I'm posting on my YouTube channel, shout out to Zyra Rain. I can finally show her what else I put on my YouTube channel. Also, shout out to Jojo, my cousin. Jojo is one of the ones who reminded me how to crochet what I forgot. Shout out to Maddie, she's the friend who taught me how to do finger knitting today. So here in Mexico, the time is 2 hours before Canada. So when the Canadians are having lunch, we'll be having breakfast at 10 a.m. on a Saturday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every single time we release a new video here on Smart Start with Maranatha, my YouTube channel. Should be good pretty soon for what I'm trying to do. Make a necklace for my mom. Okay, this might be long enough. Let's test it. This would work. Okay, now, so I'm just gonna grab some scissors and then I'll be back and I'll show you how to close it. Perfect, I found the scissors. Okay, so you're going to take this, okay? I need about this much. You can take the scissors, cut it. Very careful with the scissors. If you need help, ask your parents for help. Now you're gonna gently slide it off your fingers and pull the thread that you have through one by one. Each time you slide it off, you pull the thread through each one until you've pulled it through all of it. Then once you do that, you have a chain, and you can gift it to somebody and it will be a perfect gift, whether for Mother's Day, for Christmas, for a birthday. Perfect. Now I'll show you guys her reaction once I'm done tying this. Now let's see what she says. I'm about to give it to her. Mommy, I have a surprise for you.
Hello there.
A necklace.
Wow. Oh my gosh, this is an actual
I made it with my
necklace.
fingers.
Wow, wow, wow. Can I put it on?
Yes.
On my dress?
I
Wait,
just
how
opened
am I going to put it on? How does it work?
It's a bow.
So do I
So
pull
you
this?
pull-
I just pull it?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not, they need to see what's happening. All
So
right,
you
here we
pull
go.
it. And you do that.
Okay. Okay. How do we pull the other side
wait.
that this side?
Pull this through.
Hold on. Yeah,
No,
I've
pull
got
this through. Here, you hold it. You pull this through, and it will make a little knot, but that's okay.
Okay, here you go. So you can put this on me.
And then what I do is I do it on the front, so it's easier. And then I turn it around.
All right.
So we go here. Put it through.
Make it a bit tighter.
I can't, otherwise it won't undo. I did it
Oh.
not by accident.
Okay. Let's turn it around. And then this extra string can go behind.
Okay, I want to do your dress just like this.
Okay. All right, let's check this out. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this necklace. And you just made this with your fingers?
Yes. Fingers and
Not even a crochet hook. Look, I could wear it with my outfit.
the fingers is what gives it this chain look.
Very cool. You did a great job.
Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and watch the rest of my video.